Miss Piggy, you didn't eat all your food last time? Look at all these mud puddles. Good grief. Okay, Miss Piggy. Let's find a dry spot. Well, relatively to... You didn't eat all your food last time? Maybe because it was wet. Your water bowl is full from all the rain last night. It was pouring down yesterday, or last night I mean, and it is like a swampland in here. But it was so relaxing hearing the rain hit the roof. Good morning, Mr. Pig. So thankful for these muck boots. Come on. You gotta try to find a spot where I won't drown your food. We'll go to the other side of the garden and you can work on it over there because you haven't done much work over there. Here's a nice spot. It's not plowed up so well. Alright. Work on that section, big guy. I need to get you some more food, don't I? Yes, I do. Can't let my pig be hungry. Some people have trouble keeping their pigs in. But, only when they're out of food. So, I have to go to Rule King after work and pick up some. Hey, goats. When your feeders is still almost full, could you not reach it? There you go. I'm gonna get some goat feed for you too. Maybe some alfalfa pellets. Spoil my goats a little bit. Tomorrow, if it's not raining, I'll put you out on the pasture. Poor guys, you've been cooped up way too long. And I'm sorry, but I can't take a risk on you getting tangled up. And I can't take a risk on you getting loose when I'm not here. Why is this hay better than this hay? It came from the same bale, guys. It's all dry. Oh well. I'll see you guys after work. Hey, Fred. Hey, George. Barbara. Roadrunner. So on and so forth. You want to come out? You can't get out that way, can you? Here, let me open the door for you. Come on, don't be shy. There's some good mud puddles out here. Here, I'll back away. Good morning to you too. Oh man, I left a bag out. I don't know if that's gonna be any good anymore. No doubt got wet. I'll look it up. But we definitely don't want any food to be going to waste. How you guys doing in here? Yeah, still got water and feed. That's good. Any eggs? No. And no, that's okay. It's still very early on in the day. I'm at Rule King now because I need to get some feed for all our animals. We're running very, very low. And I don't want to take too long because it's still raining and some of the roads are flooded out already. So that's no good. So I'm going to get it today and try to get it as quick as possible before it gets too bad. So yeah, I'd say that that would last us a while. We got a lot last time we were here, but we actually went through it really quick. Those pigs are really going through the feed fast.